is a family home. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yeah, for nice 67 years.
Oh. Can't even believe it.
But you know, with the leadership you showed, how many lives were saved. Yeah. Something else.
Well, and I can now speak to those residents who are in the same spot.
Yeah. You know exactly
I
what
can
to
say
do.
I feel their pain.
Like I said, I'm not a hugger, but
Thanks, Shane.
whatever you need.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make the tour about this.
No,
no,
you know what?
sorry
You
at
make
all.
it more personal so that people could relate.
But, you know, a full tank of gas, and the car didn't go up.
Yeah. Which all things considered.
Yeah. It's in
Yeah, well, probably. We're sure if we should leave you or if we should come and let you.
But, you know, there, you know, lots of fire smarts. You talk to me about how you can build back better, right? And, this is one thing to set the example for.
This is a file cabinet.
A file cabinet?
It had been up on this.
It's upside down, right?
It's upside down. It's got all my income tax records. You want them?
Oh boy.
I wonder.
Well, when it's
Mr. Mayor, what else do you see in there?
I see memories of life. I see 67 years.
Did you grow up in this?
We moved in time for my second birthday. I was telling the minister, I think somewhere in there is a photograph of me with a birthday cake and sitting on packing boxes when I was 2. And now it's memories of family and fun. So many others are going to go through the same thing.
It goes back to expanding.
Small house, 3 bedrooms.